Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Frame 55-inch TV alongside the beige customizable frame. So the box says to open the guide, and then you get your appliances with your remote and your plug-in, and then you have your TV. So very exciting. Wow, it's so simple.
It's so simple.
So in the box you get your no gap wall mount. So see what that looks like first. It comes with two parts mostly, one to attach to the wall and then one to attach to your TV. And then some foam pads, comes with the manual. And then also it comes with a piece of paper to put on your wall to see the measurements properly, which is kind of handy. There you go, very nice. So you have the part of the wall mount that goes onto the TV. And then the wall mount that goes onto the wall. Then you also get the One Connect box. This is a pretty nice part of the TV, so we'll open that up. So this is what the box looks like. So this is instead of having all of your cables plug into the back of your TV. Then you also get two legs for the TV. You also get an accessory kit. So this has your cables and your remotes. So you have everything that you need. Okay, should we make the reveal? Time to make the reveal. Ooh, very fancy. Much nicer than the current TV that I own. Okay, so this is the frame for the TV. This is what you can expect when you open it. You essentially get a bunch of cheap plastic to make your TV look pretty.
Expensive, cheap plastic.
It's very expensive, cheap plastic. And these are what you put on the TV with magnets and show part of the color. This is what the beige color looks like. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Samsung Frame TV. I hope this video helped you understand what to expect when getting the Samsung Frame TV. I'll be doing my full review later, so you can stay tuned to watch that later. I want to help you out just like I would my brother. See you in the next video. Are you ready again?
Hey everyone, it's Brother Brown. Today we're going to be unboxing the 55-inch Samsung TV alongside the beige frame.
Okay, where's the cable? Do you see the cable anywhere? Probably need the cable.
Is it in that box?
Wow.
Do you see it?
No. Check in here one more time. Do you see any cables? I don't actually know where the cable is though. Like you didn't see any cable, right?
No.
There's no way you can buy the two cables separately. Oh, wait. I bet you it's up here. Yeah.
Oh, good.
The beige bezels. My words just don't work sometimes.
That's okay. It's like beige though.
Is it not beige? What's the
You
color?
said like beige,
Sand.
like beige.
Beige?
Is it an actual bezel? I've never heard the bezel. Like I don't know where you
the
got
actual
that
frame
language.
part. The customizable bezel, the beige customizable frame.
With the customizable beige frame.
As well as the customizable frame bezels.
Called it a bezel.
Did I say bezel again?
Yeah. I don't think it's
It's not, but I just don't know what to call it.
the frame with the
Customizable
beige frame
Okay.
for the frame TV.
Okay.